Ready.
Ready?
Yep. Did you get him?
Got him.
Yeah, go for it.
Alright, we're down at the river right here, and what our plan is today is hopefully trying to catch some fish. Try to go along the shoals right here, try to go down the river. Hopefully we can catch some smallmouth, see what we can do. Here we go.
You got one? Nice. You got off? Mm. Crap, I have one. Got him. There you go. He's just right there in the rocks right there. So.
Oh, I got one. Had one.
You got one? There you go. Are you kidding me? It pops off. Some nice bass right there. I'll let this bass go. There you go. Is it getting off? You got one? Ooh, I had one. Where's my lure at? Oh, there it is. That's a tree. Oh, here we go. Oh shoot, come on, right on impact. Oh, dang it. Yeah. Ooh, right there, under that tree. But there'll be one right there. I think that's it. I got one.
Oh, I don't. Wait, did I? I'm confused. Alright, so we've been through all this right here. We just haven't had really any luck. All we've caught is my first fish. We're gonna try to fish the deeper part. Let's just keep positive and see if we can catch some smallmouth. Got one? How big is it?
It's actually really fun. Just watching that bobber.
Just catching it right there.
Just giving her a good hook set. You see that bobber go under.
Nice. There he goes.
I'm more caught it.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. Yes, sir. That's a bass, right? Yes. No, that's a huge bluegill. Oh my god, how'd you catch that? That's a freaking monster. My god.
Let's see, my hands are about 9. He's over 9 inches. Yeah.
How?
That's a big one.
That's a hybrid. There's no
Swab.
It looks like a crappie, doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cool.
What do you think about that? Hey, I got one. I got one. Shoot! I have one. Yeah. No, but they're biting. All right. Come on. It's at my feet. How did it get off? After a long day on the water and not really catching much of anything, we decided to go squirrel hunting. Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Did you get him?
He's still moving. He's running at us now. Oh. Got him. He's coming right here. Oh, shoot. Just come down here. I look pretty carefully.
Hopefully you got him.
Yeah, he's right there.
He's right there, yeah, he's jumping.
Shooting? He's in that poplar. He's gonna stay in that poplar. I think it's a white oak. I can hop in there.
What is that? Oh, it's a dog.
You can if you want. Let me hold your gun.
What's his name?
Her name's Allie.
What's up, Allie?
He's about dead, Jotham.
Yeah, you should be where that big tree, though.
He might be sitting there dead. Yeah, go for it.
Got him. Holy crap.
She's like, you got me a squirrel, huh?
I seen it drop on the phone. Oh my gosh. Let's see that squirrel.
Dang on, it fall in the creek?
He gone.
Fell into the creek.
Nice one. Nice shooting, man.
Yeah, brother.
What was that? All right, back at the house here. Just want to give a special thanks to Otta and Jotham at Clinch Mountain Creations, taking me to the river, letting me go film them just go squirrel hunting. And if you want to see content like theirs where they go out, they make their own bows and everything, you go check them out, Clinch Mountain Creations. Link down in the description down below for that. They have their own website where they sell their own bows. They hand make their own recurve bows. Just go check them out down below. We didn't get really any squirrels and any fish that day. You just gotta stay positive through the letdowns in life. You can always get better from here. And that's it for me. Thank y'all so much for watching. Jesus loves you. Live life to fullest. Krantz is out here.